my name is Ummehani. I am HR journalist, social activist, and I am also a yoga trainer. Today, I'm here to talk about the wrist repair. As we all use mobile all the day, sometimes laptops and workstation, we perform so many things in which we use wrist. So our wrists get stiff most of the time. So to repair them, I have few exercises which will help you not only to relieve your pain, but also the people with CTS, carpal tunnel syndrome, can also utilize these exercises to increase the range of motion in their wrists. So for that, the first exercise I'm going to perform is wrist circles to increase range and motion. For that, you need to bring your hands right in front of you by making fist. Make sure that your palms facing down. And now start circle your wrist into clockwise direction. We have to perform this exercise for 10 to 15 seconds, but make sure that you are breathing in and breathing out. So let's start. Inhale. Exhale. Perform this exercise for 10 to 15 seconds. And now I'm going to perform the same exercise in anti-clockwise direction. Again, we have to repeat the process for 10 to 15 seconds and make sure that you are breathing in and breathing out. So let's start. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So this was the first exercise. Moving forward with the second exercise is backhand wrist stretches. For that, you need to bring your hands right in front of you by turning them around so your fingers can face your knees. Make sure that you keep the distance between your hands. So, let's start the exercise by inhaling, come forward, and by exhaling, go back. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. You have to repeat this process for 10 to 15 seconds. Make sure that you do not push your wrist too much. So now we're going to perform a third exercise. Forward facing wrist stretches. Again, for that, bring your hands on the floor. Make sure that your fingers facing forward. Keep distance between your hands and your knee. And now, again, by inhaling, we will come forward. And by exhaling, we will go back. Now, let's repeat this process. Inhale. And exhale. Let's do this one more time. Inhale and exhale. So this was the third exercise. You have to perform this exercise 10 to 15 seconds and make sure that you breathe in and breathe out, which is very much important. So now moving forward with the fourth exercise to shake your wrist. How are we going to do that? Of course, after performing such exercises, we need to bring our hands right in front of us and make sure that your fingers are wide open. And now leave your hands loose. So now start shaking your hands again. We have to repeat this process for 15 to 20 seconds and make sure that you are breathing in and breathing out. So let's inhale, exhale. Come on. Inhale, exhale. So do this for 10 to 15 seconds. So these are the four exercises which definitely help you not only relieve your pain, but these exercises will help you to perform more. Thank you so much for watching all the exercises. This session was brought to you by Dove. I hope you've been feeling relaxed after watching this session. Thank you.